Hi, Alex and Ian. It's Vesna. I just wanted to make this quick little audio video regarding the 2-day event that we had back in May for the FBA product launch. Just wanted to say, like, the first time of attending something like that, so I was quite impressed with the turnout and being in a room full of people on the same journey as myself. Also, getting to meet you guys in person was an honour. Um, I have to say I really did enjoy the event, and I did learn a bit more than what I'd learnt reading the modules myself. I think it gave everyone an opportunity to ask questions and to sort of get the answers that they were looking for. Well, I think the event was great. I think it's a great way to get through to people and to help them along their journey. Especially for somebody like myself, this is my first time doing something like this, so I'm still learning. And I'm grateful that you guys are there to help us and to guide us along this journey. I think the whole event was great. I'll give you guys a 10 out of 10. I would have to say yes, I would recommend it. The reason being is because since I joined, I think you guys have been there from the start with your support and with your knowledge. For a lot of us, it's a brand new world we're entering, and you guys have been great in what you've taught us and how you've taught us. I think it helps to be surrounded by people who know what they're doing and who are easily accessible, and you guys have made it that way, just through like the Monday and Wednesday night lives, where we can like ask questions, also asking questions via the portal, via emails and text messages. You guys are quick to deliver your answers and help us, which is very reassuring, especially since a lot of us don't know what we're doing or we're still learning, as is the case with me. But I have to say you guys have been really great, really fantastic in everything. You guys, I would recommend you highly. 10 out of 10 again for everything that you guys do and for the knowledge that you bestow upon us. It's just great being in your company. It's great learning from you guys, and I know you're going to make a success of a lot of us. Thanks to what you teach us and how you teach us, and I think it's just great to again 10 out of 10, and thank you for everything.